Hi, I am Jason Ricardo Reyes Hernandez. I am 13 years old. I live in the city of Ibagué all my life. I'm the person that I'm going to tell you some experience my life. The birth of my son. My son's name is Gabriel. He was born in December 22 of 2009. That day I have a lot of working and I remember they died at 11 a.m. I clocked my sister in the loud calling my son, my aunt. She said, "Meet my tie. My son was going to to be, to be born." I remembered day I was afraid of, but see to my son for the first time. I was being an amazing experience. Now he he was grown and he had 10 years old. My hobby. I have practiced football for 20 years. When I was young, I loved watch football games. When I was 20 years old, I have had the opportunity to travel with my team to many places of the Department of Tolima. I was being an incredible experience, one to many places. My hobby. I am going to tell you about my work. I work for a food distribution company in the systems area as a programmer. I have worked there for 6 years. I have to go to work at 7 a.m. every day. I have registered my entry at 6:50 a.m. o'clock. I have always had lunch at 12:30 p.m. and I have working until 6 p.m. Gracias por la